Okay guys, so I finished the first project, finished the painting, but I finished the three more. So all in all is four projects we finished for today. And maybe this one is by tomorrow to continue a new design for this on top. So this is complete. This is one of the projects, so four more after this. Okay, so this is the materials, the other materials. Okay, and this one. So we build one, two, three, four, five, six. All in all, six plus four project, including this. Now it's done for today to put a braces, and we need to paint by the edge only. So it's done after that. So all in all is four projects, including this to the four projects. Continue design, two layers in the middle. See, so this one is wood, and including this is a stock. So how many years? Maybe 3 to 4 years stock on top. And this is by tomorrow. And this one woods yellow. Okay, so we finish now. So this is to divide two again. And we finish this now also. And this one. And this one. And this one. No, only two, three, four. Oh, one, two, three, four. So only four for today. Okay. So this is a different style. There's a background cover, and this one is open. So it depends of the situation about the woods. Okay. So for now, it's done to this. So we need to paint it now. Okay. Okay guys, so we start to paint now. Only the edge, because on top it's good original design and original color. And some other need to repair the pit or retouch the white one. Okay. guys. So we use only a light color because you know what I mean. The tutorial is how to save your money, right? How to make money, and the tutorial is how to paint, how to fix, how to assemble your project just to make money after you fix it and paint it this summer. So for me, I fix everything as long I cannot buy anything because all the materials here is free from the paint, from the woods, okay, so the lumber. So for me, only I buy only a tips for you. It's a paint, it's 11 bucks, golden tacks, and the screws sometimes, nails, and others. So that's all only I buy, not the expensive materials like woods, lumbers. Okay, so for me, I choose only always light color only. Okay, but I use a pure color. So that's all, guys. This is the fourth project I finished for today. So we touch again the white one. Okay, the back side on in the front. We need to repaint the other damaged area. Okay. So there's a problem of mark like this. You use thinner or water base, only water. On this mark, dry paint to encourage our customers, especially the local, so sensitive. Okay, so we put water again, or thinner if you have lots. It's expensive also. It's $14. Only water. So save a lot of money because the materials is already painted. It's easy to assemble because materials is not totally damaged, only retouched, and little bit paint in the light brown on top of the edge. That's it. It's basic. So if you have knowledge in carpentry and experience, you can use that. So what Cristiano Ronaldo say, if you have talent, if you don't use it, it's nothing. So that's all, guys. That's all I can do. Okay guys, so that's all. Already green. Retouch the other damage. So especially at the top by one hot by wet rugs. Okay. So this is the fourth project for today. But I try to assemble again for the fifth project for today. Okay, this one we put only on the top or in the middle. So we have a form to become mini shelves. Okay, so let's do it later. So see you guys and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video in my YouTube channel. Amazing Tips Don Rob 2025. Okay, that's my handle. Okay, see you guys. So I hope you like it, the tutorial how to bake, the tutorial how to paint and fix and assemble and how to make money for this summer. Okay, so see you guys. This is amazing tips for today because it's long weekend. So this is all I can do to build and make money and assemble all my materials for this summer. So it's peak season. So let's see a couple of weeks. So there's a lot of buyers to inquire. Okay, see you guys.